Good morning, Vanessa. My name is Sannama. I study in UKG. My school name is Masterman English Medium School.
Okay, states and capitals. Andhra Pradesh,
Angwati,
Arunachal Pradesh,
Itanagar,
Assam,
Disput,
Bihar,
Patna,
Chhattisgarh,
Raipur,
Goa,
Panaji,
Gujarat,
Gandhinagar,
Haryana,
Chandigarh,
Himachal Pradesh,
Simla,
Jammu and Kashmir,
Srinagar,
Jharkhand,
Ranchi,
Karnataka,
Bengaluru,
Kerala,
Thiruvananthapuram,
Madhya Pradesh,
Bhopal,
Maharashtra,
Mumbai,
Manipur,
Bempal,
Meghalaya,
Shillong,
Mizoram,
Hyderabad,
Nagaland,
Kohima,
Odisha,
Bhubaneswar,
Punjab,
Chandigarh,
Sikkim,
Dantak,
Rajasthan,
Jaipur,
Tamil Nadu,
Chennai,
Telangana,
Hyderabad,
Tripura,
Nalkota,
Uttar Pradesh,
Naklo,
Uttarakhand,
Nalgadu,
West Bengal.
Kolkata. Thank you.